how to use Twitter's long post feature. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Twitter and then you can put in your post by tapping on the plus icon, and then you can just write anything you want. You can see that if the post is more than the limit, then it will be red in color, and you can see that 950 characters are more. Now what you can do is you can copy the part that is highlighted in red, just drag, and then you can cut it, and you can see the plus icon on the bottom. Tap on it and you can see add another post option, and you can go and paste it here. So now you can just continue doing that. Copy the part that is red highlighted, add plus, and add another post, and then you can post it all. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.